Alright, let's look at the Cartesian coordinate system. Right, so we're gonna have a whole plane divided into four sections by a pair of perpendicular number lines. So the horizontal one, so you have a horizontal number line, is called the x-axis. So this guy is called the x-axis. And the vertical one, so it's going to have a vertical number line and called the y-axis. And their intersection is called the origin. Right, and these four sections are called the quadrant, and for some reason they decided to count it this way. This is called the first quadrant. I'm going to put 1. This guy is called the first quadrant. Right, so this guy is the first quadrant right here, and this is going to be a second. So we count counterclockwise at 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the second quadrant, and this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. All right, just a bunch of names. All right, then we can locate a point on the plane, basically giving it an address. So for example, if you have say point around here, so what you can do is it's going to just go down to the x-axis and read whatever the reading here. So let's call it, let's say here's A. And then you go straight to the y-axis and whatever the reading there. So let's call it B. Right. So this guy basically has the address called the coordinates A, comma B. So x coordinate first and the y coordinate second. Right. So this guy, the first number, which is the reading from the x-axis, called the x coordinate. Right. And the reading from the y-axis is called the y coordinate. Right. So for example, let's say if you want to have a point, so example, point, let's say negative 2, comma 3, or something like that. Then what you would do is you can just, so x coordinates is negative 2. So on the axis, so this right here is 0. So you're going to go down 2 units to the negative side, 1, 2, right? So that would be negative 2 on the x-axis, right? Then positive 3, so you would have to go up 1 and 2 and 3. So 3 is right about there, right? So the point negative 2 comma 3 is located. So it's a 3 here, and also negative 2. So negative 2 comma positive 3. So the location of the point is right there, right? So this is negative 2 comma 3, right? And as you can see that everything is nice and square. And a Cartesian coordinate system is sometimes called the rectangular coordinate system, right? All right, that's the coordinate system, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.